But look what we've done today. Don't know if I can zoom in there a bit. Yeah, baggies up ladder, look. We've put all that in now, all new fencing. Good morning. Just over start of another week. Just a nice little job. Just a nursery we're coming to do here, but I don't think they've got the key for this lock, so I'm gonna have to cut this down. And this is our access, and we're putting 57 metres of 1.8 metre high feather edge all the way down there. I've just got to move the cars here, so I'm just waiting for other lads coming, and then I'll get their van in first because it's loaded up with post mix. We'll get them in here, and then I can go off at timber and stuff we need. Should be a good little job for a few days this. Probably 2-3 days in it. A couple of days posting and a day paling and whatnot. So yeah, we'll get some footage of this as we go along. We're cracking on now. We've got all this side nearly posted now. Down here, doing well. Just got one middle one to get in there. We're doing well. We've all got our IVs on apart from Jamie as usual.
Let them know where supervisor is.
You know, it's got that at this corner. We've already got one dug there, ready to go. And there's plans to get to there today, all posted. And then tomorrow lads will carry on, get that stretching. Yeah, we'll have a day off tomorrow and then come back end of week. Because we've got get the sliding gate in Doncaster on Thursday. So yeah, going well. I just hope the weather stays like this all week. It's forecast it. Lovely. Good morning everyone. Whew, it's a cold one again this morning, but the sun is out already. Look at this. We know it's going to be a lovely day. The lads have just loaded up now. I just missed them. Literally just gone down there. We had a bit of a thing yesterday. Bloody, we're moving stuff from here to get to post mix there and put it there. The last second it all just slipped off because it's all icy. So that'll handball all that up. That'll be a lovely job, won't it? Yeah. The landlord's agents has been on to me. Took him a week like to come back from breaking that repairing down there. A lot of audit gear for that. I've got some of it over there, but I've no rails or anything, so a lot of order them. I'm just gonna have an hour in office. I mean, I've been here since sort of 7:15 anyway. Like, I'm gonna have another hour in office now. Catch up with my admin, so I was on site all day yesterday, and then I'm out and about most of the day. Then I'm here, there and everywhere. I'm going to Steeton where we've done the job a few years ago, done some new repairs or something. I've got Cleckeaton and then somewhere else, can't remember, but I'm all over anyway. Yeah, so anyway, I'll stop waffling and get off and get on with my admin. So I'm just at Steeton Cricket Club here. Just need 7 posts resetting, and there's 4 panels to reinstall because they're knackered. They had some big cricket covers that have blown down and took out fence with it. So obviously it's took it all over. Most of the posts are okay, just reset. But some panels have snapped because of the weight of them. So there's 4 panels to redo and 7 posts. And that is it. Good morning. Look at this behind me. Just turned up nice and early. We've literally just got lads off to the job. They're going to finish that timber feather edge at the nursery. We're just going to get prepared. Checking fence down so we can get through, because there's plant of days to start putting these in. The guy was just chatting saying, oh, I hope they turn up from plant hire gap. And as we said it, lo and behold, he turned up. So couldn't have timed that any better really. We'll see how we get on with this. 4 in now. Took us a while to suss first ones out, but I know there's a bit of a gap there, but we're going to fill that in with some bricks and concrete and stuff. We've got them in fairly level for now, but it does step up at that end, which we knew about, and obviously corner there's not a lot we can do about that. It's going to step up, but we'll probably get majority in today. Stop pissing! Already. Probably could have done with just a slightly bigger machine, but it's doing it. Then we tighten these brackets up on the inside, so yeah, quite impressed. They're well solid of them. Jacob's just tightening that up. We've just got a few cuts to do now, but yeah, look at that. We've got in. Obviously we're going to fill all this in up to it. We've got another 20 tonne of fill coming tomorrow. Couple of cuts there, one there, 2, 3 cuts we've got, haven't we?
Yeah.
But yeah, we're just marking out now to do us cuts, but problem is we're not going to have these what you put them brackets on, so we'll just try to suss it out now. We'll have to drill through, through the whole concrete thing. We've got them all in now. We've got one little piece to put in there. I've got 20 tonne more fill coming, so we're going to try and get this a bit more leveler here. It's not so bad this side, it's a lot leveler. We've took another panel down here so we can get straight in, then we're going to start fencing all this. We'll probably still here Monday, but we'll have to get it secure obviously for the weekend, and then we're going to repair that section for the landlord. Let's see if we can get these wagons moved so we can get in with digger while we've still got it. So yeah, we're just at Friars where our yard is, and little scroats we've noticed were in last night. I got them on cameras. They haven't touched us, but they've been into these cabins here. We put some new pails there, they've cut them off here, so we're just sticking that up for now because we're repairing this on Monday. I don't want to put new pails on now and then take them off over the weekend. There's security on now all weekend, so but look what we've done today. If I can zoom in there a bit. Yeah, baggies up ladder, look. We've put all that in now, all new fencing. Just got this corner to cut, tie up, but yeah, we are going to change them panels there. We just couldn't get them out earlier. I'm going to put a concrete plinth around the outside, but we're hoping it's quite secure now. It's not looking too bad. Saturday morning, just having a look into yard. Got Aran with us here, look. Say hi, Aran. Just bought me a new mop for office. I'm just having a check out, sure everything's alright after the scroats were in again on Thursday night, I believe it was. So yeah, obviously little scroats are coming in there. Me and Carl tied that back up again, but we fenced all this off now, and it's looking good, isn't it? That's had 40 tonne of fill already in there. That probably going to put another skin on the inside, and maybe razor wire on top yet. Don't look high from here, but from that side it's quite high. Has somebody cut that already? I don't know if somebody's cut that or we put it on like that. I think we left the emerging heater on, so I'll just come in and check that. You're going to see us fancy new security. This is all cameras are upgraded, lights. Obviously that's alarmed up and everything now. Sounds like an air raid shelter when that goes off. So yeah, we've obviously had everything beefed up.
Do not enter private area. Do not enter private area.
So obviously that's straight now. Security is better, we all get notifications and stuff. So if you like what we do, give us a thumbs up, comment down below, and we'll see you next week. Thank you.